Hey guys, so as in the previous video you just learned how to download the Java files, and in this video I'll be showing you how to install them in your system. Now let me just quickly open downloads. Now just let me run the downloaded Java file as administrator. You see a small box appears. It just asks for a permission. Hit on S and now a small box appears. Now hit on the next button. This says that the Java files are stored in a C drive in my system. So if you have any good reason to change in yours, you can do that, but in my case I prefer saving in a C drive. So let me go with the next button. Now all you need to do is just a boring part of your life. Wait until this completely green color fills over and you get a close option. Torture it is. Yes, now just let me close it and check whether the Java files installed or not, and I bet you do know that how to do it if you watched the previous videos, obviously. Now let me hit the command java c version. I expect the same statement appears because I know it. Yes, see, we got the same statement, and this happens because though we just installed it, we did not set it up completely, and in the next video I'll be showing how to do that. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.